Regents Exam 1, question number 8. The product of the square root of 576 and the square root of 684 is. And the four choices: irrational, because one factor is irrational; rational, because both factors are rational; irrational, because both factors are irrational; or rational, because one factor is rational. So, what I want to do first is evaluate those two radicals. So, control in the squared key for the square root of 576, and we get 24. If I can take the square root, that number is rational. So I know I have one that's rational. Now the next one is 684. And notice the calculator still gives me a radical. So what they're saying is this number, you can't take the square root because it's not made up of perfect squares. As the square root of 19 there. So 684 is irrational. So then you just have to remember the rules. If one is rational and one is not, whether I'm multiplying, adding, subtracting, if we have one of each, my result will always be irrational. So if they're both rational, that's how we get a rational result. If one of them is irrational, the result must be irrational. If one is irrational and one is rational. And that's question